Good morning, students. I, Ms. Novia D'Souza from Mithanagar MPS, welcome you all in today's online lecture arranged by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. Today, we are going to play a small game. Do you like to play games? Yes, students, do you like to play games?
Yes.
Yes. So, before starting the game, or before telling you the name of the game, I'm going to tell you the things that I'm going to use for the game. Okay. Tell me, what is this?
Water bottle.
Yes, it's a bottle. Very nice.
Pen.
Pen.
Book.
Yes, it's a book. Okay. Now this box. Yes, very nice. So the name of the game is Where is it? Okay. So you're going to tell me the question that I will ask you. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, where is the bottle?
Bottle in the box.
Yes, bottle is in the box. Very nice. Okay. Where is the bottle?
Box. On the box.
Yes, bottle is on the box. Okay. Now, where is the bottle?
Behind the box.
Behind the box. Yes. Where is the bottle?
Beside the box.
Yes, it is in front, right? You can see in the front, right? It is in front of the box. Very nice. Now this is a pen and a book. Okay, now tell me, where is the pen?
In the
book. Yes, very nice. Where is the pen?
It's on the book. On the box.
Yes, it is on the book. Okay, now tell me, where is the pen?
Behind the book.
It is beside the book. Beside the book.
Beside the book. Beside the book.
Yes, now tell me, where is the pen?
Under.
Okay, it is under this book and between these two books. Yes, very nice. So students, you have answered all my questions. Excellent. Now you use some words like on, in front of, behind, beside. Do you know what are these words known as? You have heard these words before, right? In, on, behind, beside, in front of. Do you know what these words are? These words are known as preposition. These words are known as preposition. You have learned a lesson. Where is the cat? In that lesson, you have learned some of these words. So today in English, we are going to learn a new topic. The name of the topic is preposition. Let's start. So the topic for today is prepositions. Now let's see what are prepositions. See the words like on, in, under, near, behind, beside, far. These all words are position words, which shows us the position, of the object. Position words are also called as prepositions. So position words are also called as preposition. When I showed you the bottle, I asked you, where is the bottle? You were giving me the answer. It is in the box, on the box. So you was telling me the exact position of the bottle. So position words are also called as prepositions. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is. Now let's see some example of prepositions. Okay, now tell me, where are the eggs?
Egg in the nest.
Yes, the eggs are in the nest. So the word in is a preposition. Read after me. The eggs are in the nest.
Nest.
So here the word in is a preposition. Now tell me, where is the ball?
In the box. Ball
Yes,
in the box.
ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. Here, the word in is a preposition. Where are the apples?
The apples are in the basket. Apple.
Yes, the apples are in the basket.
The
The apples are in the basket. Here, the word in is a preposition. Where is the book?
The book is on the table. The book is on the table.
The book is on the table. Here, the word on is a preposition. Where is the clock?
The clock is on the table. On the chair.
Where is on the chair?
On the bed.
No. See, what is this?
On the wall.
Yes, excellent.
On the bed.
Yes, it's on the wall. The clock is on the wall. Here, the word on is a preposition. Where is the boy sitting?
The boy is sitting on the chair.
Yes, very nice. The boy is sitting on the chair.
The boy is sitting on the chair.
Yes, here the word on is a preposition. Where is the ball?
The ball is under the table.
Yes, the ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Here the word under is a preposition. Where is the girl sitting?
The girl is sitting under the tree. Beside the tree.
The girl is sitting under the tree.
Exactly under the tree.
The girl is sitting under the tree. See the word under is a preposition. The word under is written with red color. Where is the dog?
The dog is under the table.
Yes, the dog is sleeping under the table. The word under is a preposition. Now tell me, where is the car?
Behind the house.
Okay, this is not behind. Okay, this is the front part of the house. So where is the car parked?
In front of the house.
Yes. So you're going to answer me in complete sentence.
The car is parked near the home.
House. Yes, it is parked near the house, right? So the car is parked near the house. Okay, now tell me, where is the ball?
In front of the box.
No, you're going to tell me it's near the box.
In front of the box.
It is near the box.
Near the box. The ball is near the box.
Yes, the ball is near the box. Here the word near is a preposition. Okay, now tell me, where is the apple?
The apple is between two boxes. The apple is middle in two boxes.
It is in between two boxes. Yes, very nice. In between. The apple is between two boxes. Here the word between is a preposition. Now where is the boy standing?
The boy is standing. The two boxes.
Yes, between the two boxes.
Between the box.
Yes. The boy is standing between two boxes. Now tell me, where is the crown?
The crown is behind the curtain.
Yes, it's a curtain. Very nice. The crown is hiding behind the curtain. Word behind is a preposition. Where is the cat?
The cat is behind the box. The cat is behind the box.
Excellent, very nice. The cat is behind the box. Okay, tell me, where is the boy sitting?
The boy is sitting. The boy is sitting beside the TV. On the floor.
Yes, he's sitting on the floor, but he's sitting in front of what? What is this? This is a computer. The boy is sitting in front of the computer. Read after me. The boy is sitting in front of the computer.
Computer.
Yes. Now tell me, where is the dog sitting?
The dog sitting near the car.
The dog is sitting in front of the car. Here in front of the is a preposition. Okay, so students, you have understood what is preposition. You have used the exact preposition. Now let's check whether you have understood it. Okay, here we are going to match it. Okay, first I will read this part, A part, and then we are going to match it with the B part.
The cat. The cat is under the box.
Yes, very nice. Now let's read the second one. Read the second one.
The cat is in the box.
Yes, the cat is in the box. Now read the third one.
The cat is on the pillow.
Yes, the cat is on the pillow. Read the next one.
And the dog and the cat are under the
Table. Yes.
dining table.
Yes, the dog and the cat are under the table. Now read the last one.
The dog is in the box.
Yes, the dog is in the box. Okay. Now we are going to match it. First, I will write the numbers for this B part and then we are going to match it. Yes. Okay. So the first one is the cat is under the box. Okay. Tell me which number the cat is under the box.
This number.
First, second, third, fourth or fifth?
Third.
Third, the cat is in the box. See? So it is here. Second one. This is a box.
2.
Yes, very nice. Next one. The cat is in the box.
Third.
Yes, it's number 3.
Third.
The cat is on the pillow.
First.
The dog and the cat are under the table. Fifth. The dog is in the box.
Fourth.
Yes, very nice. You have excellent. You have matched each one properly. Just take a look on it. Then we'll move to the next activity. Okay, now this is the second activity. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with correct preposition words given below. They have given us the word in, under, on. So we are going to write the correct word in this sentence. So first one I'll read. The dog is dash the table. What will be the answer?
The dog is under the table.
Yes, the dog is under the table. Very good. The next one. Jam is dash the bottle.
Jam is in the bottle.
Yes, jam is in the bottle. Next one. The cat is dash the bench.
The cat is on the cat is
Yes. Yes, the cat is on the bench. Last one. Pens are dash the books.
On the books. Pen are on the book.
Pens are on the books. Yes, very nice. Very good. Now it's the time for assessment. We have one more, match the following. Okay. So I will read this part to you. Okay. This is A part and this is B part. So, okay. Now what is this word? Can you read for me?
Behind.
Behind. Yes. Next one.
Under.
Under.
In front of.
In front of.
In front of. In.
Yes. Here.
Between.
Between.
Between. On. On.
On. Yes. Okay. Now I will number the part 1. Okay. See the first picture. The cat is, where is the cat?
The cat is the cat is under the box.
No, she's not under the box. She's sleeping in the box.
The cat is sleeping in the box.
Yes, the cat is sleeping in the box. So we are going to match it with the word in. Okay, see the next one. The dog is sleeping.
The dog is sleeping on the sofa.
Yes. So we are going to match it with on. Next one. Where is the dog sleeping?
The dog is sleeping under the table.
Yes. So we are going to match it with the word under. Okay, next one. Okay, now where can you see the smiley face?
The smiley face.
Yes,
Between.
it's between. Yes.
The smiley face is between boxes.
Yes, very nice. See the next one, 5th picture. Where is the cat?
The cat is behind the box.
Yes, it's behind. Now see the last picture.
In front of.
What is remaining here? See?
The mouse is on the box.
No, on is done. Now it is in front of.
The mouse is in front of the box.
Yes, very nice. Excellent. Okay, choose the correct preposition to complete the sentence. Okay, so you're going to choose the correct one. The first one. The egg is dash the nest. What will come here?
The egg is in the nest. The egg is in the nest.
In the nest. Very nice. Second one. The girl is dash the tree.
The girl is under the tree.
Yes, the girl is under the tree. A jug is dash the table.
A jug is on the table.
The jug is on the table. A bear is dash the jungle.
In the jungle. A bear is in A bear is in the jungle.
A bear is in the jungle. Very nice. Next one. Man is sitting dash a tree.
Man is sitting under the tree.
Okay, under a tree. Very nice. A key is dash a lock.
A key is in the lock. A key is in
a lock. Very nice. You have selected the correct preposition. The next activity, fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. You're going to observe the picture and you're going to tell me the word.
The ball is in the box.
Yes, the ball is in the box. Next one.
The ball is on the box.
Yes, the ball is on the box.
The ball is on the box. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is
in front of the box. Next one.
The ball is box.
Between
the boxes.
Boxes. The ball is between the boxes.
The ball is near the box.
Behind the box. Yes. The ball is behind the box. Okay, now we again have a match the following. We're going to observe the picture and match it with the words here. Okay, I will number the A part for you and then we are going to match it. Okay, read these words now. Read this word.
Between, in front of, under, on, behind, beside.
Okay, now you're going to tell me which word I'm going to match the first picture with. Which word I should match it?
The cat is on the box.
So you're going to match it with the word on. Yes. Next one, see the next picture.
The cat is under the table.
Yes, so we are going to match it with the word under. See the third one.
The cat is beside the box.
So you're going to match it with the word beside. Okay, see the next one.
The cat is front of the box.
Okay, it's in front of the box. See the next one.
The cat is between the boxes. The cat is between boxes.
Between the boxes, yes. See the last one.
The cat is behind the box.
Yes, the cat is behind the box. Yes, very nice. Okay, now one more activity for you. Now here we have A and B. Two pictures are there. Okay, I will say a sentence and then you're going to tell me which part I'm talking about. Okay, see the first one. The toy is under the table. Which picture it is, A or B?
First picture.
Yes,
A.
it's picture A. Very good. Now listen to the second sentence. The ball is in the box.
B.
Yes, it's B. Now third sentence. The apple is between two boxes.
A.
A. Yes. The mouse is behind the box.
B. B.
B. The toy is on the chair.
A.
A. Yes, very nice. You have given me the correct answer. Now it's time for homework. Look at this picture. Look and complete the preposition of the place. Okay, see here they have given you some words. And you're going to fill these words in these boxes. Okay, students, if you want, you can take a screenshot. We'll discuss this also. Okay, first we'll read these words that are given down and then we are going to solve this. Okay, now read the first word.
Behind.
See again, see what is the first word?
Behind.
It's between.
Between.
Yes, see.
Between.
See the next word.
Beside. Beside.
See again, it's behind.
And
B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Okay, which is the next word, third word? It's
on.
On, yes. See the next one?
Under.
Under. Which is this word?
In front of.
In front of. The last one?
In.
In. Okay, now we are going to read this and you're going to tell me the answer. The first one. The cat is dash the box. What will come here?
In.
See the picture.
The cat is in the box.
Is it in the box or under the box?
Under the box.
Yes. The bird is dash the boxes. See the picture?
Between.
Yes, the bird is between the boxes. Next one. The cat is dash the box.
The cat is in the box.
Yes, the cat is in the box. Next one, fourth one. The bird is dash the box.
The bird is on the box.
Yes, the bird is on the box. Fifth one. The cat is dash the box.
The cat is in front of the box.
Yes, the cat is sitting in front of the box. So the answer is in front. The cat is in front of the box. Last one. The cat is dash the box.
The cat is behind the box.
Yes, very nice. The cat is behind the box. Excellent, students. So this is your homework. Thank you, students, for attending today's lecture. We'll meet back again in the next lecture.